Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Yt-dlp and FFmpeg are installed. This guarantees merging capability. Next, pick the video URL and an output pattern because consistent file names save time. Then select formats. Request best video plus best audio so Yt-dlp downloads separate streams and FFmpeg merges them into an Mp4 container. Once done, run the basic command with O to place files where you want. This step performs the download and prepares the merge automatically. You should inspect streams using Yt-dlp because choosing exact ID prevents unwanted quality drops. Once you know the ID, pass them as F123 plus 456, or use fbestvideo plus bestaudio plus merge output format Mp4 so FFmpeg produces a single Mp4 file. Make sure to include cookies or login options when content is gated, and add subtitle embedding or metadata writing if you want a complete package. Doing this gives you control. You finish by running the full command and watching console output to confirm download and FFmpeg merge completed. If merging fails, try Recode Video Mp4 to force conversion or update FFmpeg and Yt-dlp to fix compatibility bugs. Also make sure you have sufficient disk space and correct temp directory permissions because incomplete writes cause partial files. One key troubleshooting tip: when playback fails, open the merged file with ffprobe to inspect streams and confirm audio/video are present.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.